Hi everyone. So I understand that my Zoom call does not meet everyone's time frame due to work schedules and whatnot. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about what I did want to talk about in the Zoom call, which is time management. And I'm going to go over some time management skills with you, and you can use the ones that work best for you. Not everything will work, obviously. So you need to do a time audit and determine where your time is going. Consider this with an open mind. Like, are you spending too much time on social media or scrolling through it, maybe texting your friends? Perhaps it would be a good idea just to shut your phone off completely so that you can accomplish the task at hand. Set a time limit. To set a realistic time limit to get a task complete and stick with it and only do that one particular task until it's finished or until your time is up on that. Create a to-do list. I do this all the time. I think it works great. For some reason, I like to cross things off. So create a to-do list with the most important items to be completed at the top. And do not abandon your task list for the day. Make sure that you get those things done. Otherwise, they just build up on each other. Plan ahead. Before I go to bed each night, I create a to-do list for the next day. So I prioritize that list, putting the most important things at the top that I really want to get completed. I try not to overwhelm myself, maybe put like 5 things on this list. Mark Twain once stated, complete the most important items first thing in the morning. If your job is to eat a frog, he says, eat that frog first thing in the morning. If your job is to eat 2 frogs, eat the biggest one first. Okay, so that's the tip for planning ahead. Delegate is the next one, and you should brush up on your leadership skills by passing some of your duties on to others. If you have kids at home and your task is to, vacuum and dust today because you need to get that done, or maybe laundry, teach your kids how to do the laundry, let them dust or vacuum. If it's not perfect, that's okay. They did their best. Change your schedule. I know it sounds crazy, but if you're not able to get everything done in a day, and your routine is to get up at 6, you need to change that schedule and get up at 5. Just make that hour count, eat the biggest frog first. This isn't forever. It's just until you can get through this so that you can, use your skills to get yourself a better job or a job that you've been dreaming of. So make it count, change your schedule. Leave some time. Leave about 20 to 25 minutes in between accomplishing the tasks on your list. You don't want to just like tick them off one after another, even though I sometimes am guilty of doing that. But take some time in between, maybe stretch, breathe, meditate, check your phone at that time, grab a snack, but set an alarm on your phone to get you back to complete more tasks. So you need to have something as a reminder to regroup. Stop being perfect. If you're a perfectionist, you will continually repeat the same task until it is perfect. Just let it go, do your best the first time, and just submit it and be done with it. Just say no. If your friends keep wanting you to go out, I know it's tempting. I'm guilty of that as well. Or if people always seem to want your help, can you babysit? Can you help us with this task or that task? You need to say no. You have things that you need to get accomplished, and unless you've ticked off everything on your task list, you don't really have the extra time currently to do these things. An 80-20 rule. 80% of the results come from 20% of your actions. So if you take a little extra time, like maybe setting your clock that 1 hour earlier and get extra work done, that extra time will get big results for you. Okay, so try to pick a few of these that you can implement. The next thing is, if anyone wanted to discuss how to get back on track as far as your grades, I just want to say work on the current week and then pick one class, either the HM200 or the HM240 this week, and focus on one week that you missed and get that completed and turn it in, and then I'll jump in there and grade it. I do check for those every day. The next week, rotate. If you did 200 this week as a makeup, do 240 as a makeup the next week. All right. So if you need me, you have my phone number, you have my email. Feel free to get in touch with me. Good luck to everybody, and I'm waiting to see your work. All right, take care. Bye.